spicy, smoky. I can taste the turmeric. Wow. Hi guys, I'm Adri. Today we're making flour tamales with a vegan stuffing with oyster mushrooms, tomatillos, and tortillas. So my favorite part of the recipe is cut the ingredients, putting everything together, and cutting the mushrooms. I just have to cut it with your hands, very, very thinly. So mushrooms are ready. Now I'm gonna cut my onion. It can be white or red. That's some very thin slices. I love garlic, so I'm gonna put a lot for garlic cloves. We're using cilantro, and I love to use the stems because the stems keep even more flavor than the leaves. Once the onions and the garlic are fully cooked, I can start blending them with the rest of my ingredients. Tomatillos, and tortillas, and corn. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna start blending. The sauce is ready. I wanna show you the texture. I'm ready to saute my mushrooms. So a little bit of olive oil, very, very hot pan. Salt. I'm gonna cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna put them on a separate bowl while I start making the tamales. I'm gonna add the cilantro at the end, all of it with the stems and the leaves. For the flour printed tamales, I'm gonna start by making the dough. It's super simple. I'm gonna add the salt, and also I'm gonna add the turmeric. I'm gonna start adding little by little the maseca, the flour. So this is what I'm looking for. A dough that it's a little bit moist, that's not too watery or too dry. Okay, so I'm gonna start shaping the balls, around 50 grams each. All right, I have the filling ready to go. The dough is ready. I want to prevent them to crack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a wet towel on top, and I'm gonna start making the leaves. So the first thing you wanna do is separate them. I have warm water, and we will just want to, I'm gonna put them in the water for around 2 to 3 minutes so they get a little bit soft. So once they get like this, you can take them out of the water. They're gonna be way easier to handle. For the flowers, I like to mix them with different colors. So I have purple, I have pink, a little bit of, a little bit of everything. Then I'm gonna put the dough, shaping it with your fingers with a little bit of water. You can help yourself with a little bit of water. 1 tablespoon of the stuffing, close them. Don't worry if they break a little bit. They're gonna be fine. Close here, close here. I'm gonna put a couple of leaves and then the tamales on top in boiling water. And cook them for 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, the tamales are ready. They smell and look delicious. Let's taste them. Ah, it looks so good. Spicy, smoky. I can taste the turmeric. Wow. I can't wait for you to make this at home. See you next time.